Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Chemistry by Praveen. So today I am going to explain about the topic is called as a sigma and pi bond. How to calculate the sigma and pi bond. Already one video is there, first video how to calculate the sigma bond, but only there I have explained about the sigma bond is explained. So here today I will explain about the how to calculate the sigma and pi bond for the hydrocarbons and aromatic compound. Today I will explain pi bond also I will explain. See here. So aliphatic compounds, that means without ring structures, you can use this formula for to calculate the sigma bonds. To calculate the sigma bond, you have to use the formula. Same formula you have to use total number of atoms minus 1. Total number of atoms minus 1 you have to use. By using this formula, you can get the number of the sigma bonds you can calculate. This is applicable for the any compounds is applicable, but maximum applicable for the hydrocarbons only applicable. Trick in the sense what it will save the some time it will save. So it's not applicable for all the compound, but maximum compound it will applicable. So okay, sigma bond is a how to calculate the 5 bond for the without ring structure. 5 bonds. So here you have to use the word 2x plus 2 minus y by 2. You have to use this formula. So here x is nothing but the number of the carbon atoms. So how many carbon atom is there? We have to take the count. And y is nothing but the number of the hydrogen atom. This trick is not. This formula is applicable for the only aliphatic compounds. For the ring structure, this means aromatic compound I will explain about. For example, if I take one example, CH2 double bond CH COH. So this is the one compound. This is the one compound. How to apply this formula? So you see here, by using this only you can get the one pi bond is there in this compound. So here first to calculate the sigma bond, what we have to do? We have to do the how many number of the atoms you have to count. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many? 8 is there. So 8 minus 1 you can get the 7 sigma bonds is there. So I want to verify now. So if you want to verify, just draw the structure. So CH double bond CH C double bond OH. Now count the sigma bond. See here, whenever you see the one bond, that is called as the one sigma bond. Whenever you see the double bond like this, one sigma and one pi bond. If you see the triple bond, one sigma, two pi bonds will be there. This is called sigma bond. This is called as a pi bond. This is also pi bond. This is sigma bond. This is the pi bond. Here only sigma bond is there. See here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means this trick is correct. So okay, this trick is correct. What about the 5 bond? 5 bond formula what is? So to calculate the 5 bond, you have to use them 2 x in the sense what? Number of the carbon atom. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons is there. 2, 3 plus 2 minus how many hydrogens? 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogens are presented. So you can get 8 minus 4 by 2 is equal 4 by 2 is equal 2. So how many pi bonds is there? 2 pi bonds is there. That means this trick is correct. So by taking the another example, I will explain how to calculate. By taking the another examples also, I will explain. For example, C2H4. I want to calculate the sigma and pi bond for the C2H4. Better to draw the structure first. So here you can easily verify carbon. How many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens is there. Only we have to use the 2 hydrogens. Only we have to use. So one double bond. See here one means one double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sigma bonds and one double bond should come. One pi bond should come with this formula. So I am using this formula. What is the formula? Sigma bonds total number of the atoms minus what? Total how many atoms? 6 atoms is there. 6 minus 1. How many? 5 sigma bonds. Correct, sigma bonds is correct. What about the pi bond? Pi bond also we have to calculate. Pi bond how can you calculate? 2 x means how many carbons? 1, 2. 2 carbons plus 2 minus y. Y means how many hydrogen atoms? So 4 hydrogen atom. 6 minus 4 by 2. 2 by 2 is equal 1. So total 1 pi bond is present. That means this trick is applicable. So this trick is very useful. You try with the another compound also, you can see here how to calculate the sigma and phi bond for the aromatic compound. That means benzenoid compound. That means the ring should contain, the benzene ring should contain. See here, if you want to calculate the sigma bond, if you want to calculate the pi bond, you have to use the formula is equal, for pi bond you have to use 4n plus 2. We have to use Huckel rule. Huckel rule is there only, is there to calculate the pi bond. See here, here n is nothing but the number of the rings. Here n is nothing but the number of rings. How many rings is presented, that is one. Huckel rule is only tells about the next one. What about the what about the sigma bond? So for calculation of the sigma bond, you have to use the formula is equal 4 into x minus n minus 1. So here, see here, what is x here? X here is nothing but the number of pi bonds. Pi bonds, number of pi bonds. Just understand the trick, you can easily get it the trick. So now I will write the benzene. I will write benzene formula is C6H6. Already we know C6H6. See here, C6H6 is there. So for how to calculate the sigma bond, before going to the sigma bond, you have to calculate the pi bond. You have to calculate. So pi bond, how can you calculate? 4n plus 2. So 4, how many rings? Only one ring, plus 2. 4n plus 2. So 6. 5 electrons. 5 electrons in the sense, 5 electron in the sense, how many bond? How many bond? 3 5 bonds. So we got the 5 bonds we got. So now see here, sigma bond, how can you calculate the sigma bond for this? For this sigma bond, you can easily calculate. So C10H8. So it containing the 2 benzene rings. It containing the 2 benzene rings. So 2 benzene rings. So first we have to calculate the 5 bonds. We can calculate 4n plus 2, 5 electrons. So 5 electrons. So here how many rings? 2 rings plus 2 is equal 10 5 electrons. 10 5 electrons in the sense, how many? 5 bonds is presented. So here 5 bonds is presented. So 5 bonds we calculate. What about the sigma bond? Sigma bonds, you can see 4 into x. How many 5 bonds? 5 bonds. Minus n means how many? Number of rings. How many rings? 2 minus 1. So you can see 19 sigma bonds. By using this method, you can calculate the aromatic compounds, benzene compound like this will compound. If you like the video, like and share to your friends. Thank you.